Lacson once again takes us to the village of Buscalan in the municipality of Tinglayan. This time she talks to Jenny, one of the villagers, and learns from her life and her dreams.
Buscalan, a place sheltered on the peaks of Tinglayan's mountains, where the land meets the sky and the clouds brush the ground. The people of Buscalan live simply and are a tight-knit group composed of some 100 families. I had the opportunity to talk to Jenny Abod, a villager and a mother of two. An ordinary day for her consists of doing housework and harvesting beans. This is because she was not able to finish her schooling. Dropping out of school was a choice that she made, and one that she now regrets.
Ano po yung araw-araw ninyong ginagawa?
Maglalaba, magluluto, magwawalis.
Ano yung natapos nyo sa pag-aaral?
High school.
Anong year?
First year high school.
Doon po kayo tumigil?
Tinigil ko lang dahil sa barkada.
Hindi nyo na po naisip na pumasok ulit?
Hindi.
Bakit po?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Despite this, Jenny is content with what her family has. They have no problem with their food, as they grow rice and beans for their own consumption. Money, however, is a different matter.
Ang mahirap, walang pamasahe, walang pera.
Sa ngayon po ba naghihirap kayo?
Hindi rin.
Content?
Medyo.
Bakit? Bakit medyo? Ano yung kulang?
Walang pera, ganon.
Ano lang yung meron?
Pagkain.
Bakit? Para saan po ba yung pera?
Sa pag-aaral ng bata.
Despite not finishing her education, Jenny doesn't feel like she missed out on any opportunities in her life. She understands, however, the hardships that a lack of schooling brings. This is why she wants nothing from her children, Branny and Joffa May, but for them to finish school.
Ang gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko ay mag-aaral sila para matatapos sila ng pag-aaral. Pag wala na ako, may course na sila na natatapos.
We had the chance to talk to 7-year-old Rani. He is shy but sweet, and his eyes reflect all the dreams that his mother has for him. Rani's ambition is to become a teacher.
Anong grade ka na?
O kamarugil.
Grade 2.
Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Maestro.
Maestro? Anong masasabi mo tungkol kay mama?
Narus.
Tatay, kay tatay.
Narus.
After talking to Jenny, her family served me a meal of fluffy rice, salty beans, and canned sardines. Sardines is a precious commodity to the people of Tinglayan, as it is hard to procure in the mountains. I felt grateful to Jenny and her family, and enjoyed the meal that they shared with me. This was one of the memories that I kept close to my heart as I went down from the mountains and stepped back to the city. For People's Television, I am Kring Lacson.